Okay, see what today we got some people who want to invest, do a little thing, get some partners, wake up. We got people building, got new stuff coming. Wake up, come out here. Just different rooms. Zoom in, you can see the view. Glow. You ain't gotta keep the Jones, nice little something for you, comfort for you. They coming. Ain't finished. They finished coming. Quiet, Snickers snacks. Get some snickety snacks. Wash the dryer. Everything working. Then your little pot back here. Everything available, just hit the ground at these 315. Have other little, this your little personal. Just wake up to something. Outlet. Detail how to get low, little something for you.